Have you ever noticed how certain shapes make you feel a certain way? It's almost as if they speak to us on a deeper level, beyond words. A circle feels complete, a square feels strong. Triangles with their sharp angles can feel dynamic and energetic. This isn't just coincidence. This is sacred geometry at work. These shapes and patterns have been used for centuries to convey deeper meanings and connect with the cosmos. Since ancient times, people have believed that shapes hold a hidden power, a connection to the universe itself. They saw these forms as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Sacred geometry is like a secret language whispering to our souls. It's a visual representation of the fundamental truths of existence. It's the idea that the universe is created with geometric patterns. From the spirals of galaxies to the symmetry of snowflakes, these patterns are everywhere. These patterns aren't random, they're full of meaning. They represent the underlying order of the cosmos, a blueprint of creation. Think of it like this. If the universe is a song, then sacred geometry is the musical notes. Each shape and pattern is a note in the grand symphony of existence. The ancients knew this language well. Egyptians, Greeks, even the builders of Stonehenge, they all used sacred geometry. They embedded these shapes into their monuments and temples. They saw these shapes not just as pretty designs, but as powerful tools to connect with the divine. They believed that by aligning with these patterns, they could tap into the energy of the universe. This knowledge wasn't just for the ancients. It's still all around us today, hidden in plain sight. Modern architects and artists continue to use these principles in their work. Look closely at buildings, art, even nature itself. You'll find these geometric patterns in the petals of flowers, the structure of crystals, and the formation of spider webs. You'll start to see the language of sacred geometry everywhere. It's a reminder that we are all connected, part of a greater design that spans the universe. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most powerful shapes, the circle. It's a shape that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Think about it, the sun, the moon, even our eyes are circles. These natural circles are fundamental to our existence and perception. It's the shape of wholeness with no beginning and no end. This endless loop is a powerful metaphor for continuity and completeness. In many cultures, the circle represents eternity, the infinite cycle of life, death, and rebirth. This symbolism is deeply embedded in our collective consciousness. It's a symbol of unity, reminding us that we are all connected. The circle brings people together, creating a sense of community and belonging. Think about holding hands in a circle, everyone equal and part of something bigger. This simple act can be a powerful reminder of our shared humanity. Circles are also about energy. They capture and radiate energy in a way that is both dynamic and harmonious. Ever notice how a stone thrown into water creates ripples that spread outwards? This is a perfect example of how circles distribute energy. Circles are like that. They radiate energy in all directions. Ancient cultures understood this and incorporated it into their designs and rituals. Think about Stonehenge, a giant circle of stones built to align with the sun. This ancient monument is a testament to the enduring power of the circle. Or the medicine wheels of Native American tribes, used for healing and ceremonies. These circles were not just physical structures, but also spiritual tools. Circles have always been powerful symbols, and their energy is still felt today. From ancient monuments to modern architecture, the circle continues to inspire and connect us. Now let's talk about another important shape, the square. Unlike the circle's constant motion, the square represents stability and groundedness. It's the shape of the earth itself, solid and dependable. Think about the four corners of a house or the four walls of a room. Squares give us a sense of security and order. They represent the physical world, the things we can see and touch. Many ancient cultures saw the square as sacred. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is built on a square base. Its four sides are aligned with the cardinal directions, connecting it to the Earth's energy. Squares are about structure and foundation. They remind us that even though life can be unpredictable, there is always a solid ground beneath our feet. Triangles are where things get really interesting. They're dynamic, pointing upwards towards the sky. They represent ambition, reaching for something higher. Think about a mountain peak or the shape of a flame. Triangles are full of energy and movement. They symbolize the spiritual world, the realm of thoughts and dreams. In many cultures, triangles represent the Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit in Christianity, for example. They can also symbolize the three parts of the human being: body, mind, and spirit. Triangles remind us that we are not limited to the physical world. We have the potential to grow, to learn, to reach for something greater than ourselves. Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, of course, but also patterns and shapes. These patterns have fascinated humanity for millennia. The ancients saw these patterns too, and they gave them names and stories. They wove myths and legends around these celestial formations. These became the constellations, maps of the heavens that guided sailors and dreamers alike. They were used for navigation and storytelling, connecting people across time and space. The stars have always held a special magic. They inspire wonder and curiosity, sparking the imagination of poets, scientists, and dreamers. They seem so far away, yet so connected to us. Their light travels across vast distances to reach our eyes, a reminder of the universe's grandeur. Astrology, the study of the stars' influence on our lives, is based on the idea that we are all part of a cosmic dance. Each star and planet plays a role in this intricate ballet. Even planets have their own geometry. Their orbits and alignments create patterns that have fascinated astronomers for centuries. The Earth, for example, spins on its axis, creating day and night. This rotation is a fundamental part of our daily lives. It also orbits the sun, creating the seasons. This journey around the sun shapes the rhythm of life on our planet. These movements are precise, predictable, and full of meaning. They are the clockwork of the cosmos, a testament to the universe's order and beauty. The universe is speaking to us through its shapes and patterns. From the spiral of a galaxy to the symmetry of a snowflake, these forms are a universal language. It's up to us to learn the language. By studying the stars and their movements, we can uncover the secrets of the cosmos and our place within it. We don't have to look to the stars to find sacred geometry. It's all around us, especially in the buildings we create. Think about churches, with their soaring arches and stained glass windows. These aren't just decorative elements. They're designed to uplift the soul and connect us to the divine. Courthouses often use columns and symmetrical designs, symbols of strength and justice. Libraries, places of learning and knowledge, might use arches and domes, representing the expansion of the mind. Even banks, those keepers of our finances, use squares and rectangles to convey stability and security. Whether we realize it or not, these shapes affect us on a subconscious level. It's easy to think of sacred geometry as something ancient and mysterious, but it's still relevant today. Architects, artists, even musicians use these principles to create works that resonate with us on a deeper level. Think about the music you love. It's not just random sounds. It's based on rhythm, harmony, and patterns. These are all principles of sacred geometry, even if the musicians aren't consciously aware of it. Nature itself is the greatest architect of all. Look at the spiral of a nautilus shell, the honeycomb structure of a beehive, or the petals of a flower. These are all examples of sacred geometry in action. Symbols are powerful things. They can evoke emotions, inspire us, and connect us to something greater than ourselves. Sacred geometry is like a universal language of symbols, understood across cultures and throughout time. When we start to recognize these symbols, we begin to see the world differently. We see the interconnectedness of all things, the hidden patterns and meanings that surround us. This awareness can be transformative. It can help us to feel more grounded, more connected to the universe, and more at peace with ourselves. Sacred geometry is more than just a collection of shapes. It's a way of seeing the world, a reminder that there is more to life than meets the eye. It's a language that speaks to our souls, inviting us to look deeper, to question, and to explore. The next time you're out in the world, take a moment to really look around. Notice the shapes of the buildings, the patterns in nature, the geometry of the stars above. You might be surprised at what you discover.